Hi besties and mga ka-foodies, for today's video, nandito tayo sa Alabat, Quezon and welcome to Kehalani Beach Resort. So pagmungad mo, ito yung kanilang daan papunta sa kanilang mga villas. Napakarami rin ng pergolas sa kanila na maaari mong tambayan. They also have their main function hall, yung dinaanan natin kanina sa passage. This is their Facebook page. At pwedeng mag-conduct ng event. Sigurado naman na madidistress ka sa ganda ng sceneries and sobrang tahimik mga besties and ka-foodies. So, enjoy! Must try din ang night photo shoot sa kanilang main hall kasi sobrang ganda rin ng scenery. And this is the way to our villa. Ang kinuha naming villa is a one double bed with pull out. Maximum siya ng 6 person per villa, and aside dyan, meron ding Cleopatra behind the window. So, ang color palette, sobrang relaxing. And this is the washroom. And of course, aside sa napakagandang amenities, meron din silang complimentary drinks. At syempre, hindi kumpleto ang drinks kapag walang hula dance. Sobrang approachable and accommodating ng ating mga staff. They even gave us artificial flowers for the hula dance. A toast to life and more vacations to come. What you are seeing is a sunrise time-lapse before we go home. This is the way to their beach. Napakahaba ng shoreline nila at talaga namang mag-e-enjoy ka. So that would be all, besties and kapoodies. Enjoy the view. Of course, thank you so much to our dear sponsor and besties and ka-foodies. See you until our next travel time. Ta-ta!